Sorry about that. Okay. I found this egg. Oops. I found this egg in my Easter egg basket, and I do not know what it is. So I wanted to share it on on YouTube. So look at it. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna open it. It's hard to open. Look at that. I don't wanna waste it. Looks open up here, don't it? Okay, so I'm gonna try to get this glue off. Well, not goo off of it, but it's like slime. It is slime, so just to let you know. So I'm gonna try to get this stuff off of it. So yeah, I got that off. See it? I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Put this back in its egg. Put this back on in its egg, I mean. So so see that. And then open this. Okay. So see this? Okay, I got it all the goo in it. It's the aliens are not in it right now. So here's my alien. My little baby alien. What's up, guys? Like this video if you like me. And all the girls, call me. Peace out. Boom. So yeah. What do you want, alien? Just two of the girls come call me. My number is 815-599-2180. Okay? Call me. Call me. Call me. Call me. Call me. Okay, alien, bye. Okay, so now let's see if this actually is slime. See, my alien's not in it right now. He didn't go hunt his hunt. So, see, it's in an egg shape right now. So I'm gonna try to. It is slime, guys. This is like my second time having slime, cause I'm making another video. Go down below and you'll see the yes. And you'll see the unicorn slime. So, yeah. Yeah, it actually was slime. So, yeah, go down in the description. No, not in the description. Go down there and you'll see the unicorn slime one. This is alien slime. Okay, so, bye.